Well, amigos, it's Tim Budd, and I am hanging out here at the park. And it is a cold day, but people are liking the sunshine. Got a few kids out, and when the sun is shining, that's my time, man. So I am back to my usual tricks. It's nice to be able to get a day where I can make use of my solar cooker right here. So that is from GoSun, and that is using passive solar to cook up a nice lunch for me at no cost and no waste. And then the other thing that's pretty cool is right here where I have my portable solar panel set up. And you know, because it's winter, the steeper angle is better for capturing the sunshine. And that is powering up my little battery, as you can see right there. And all of it at no cost with no waste. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful.